This is Spring Hill Baptist Church near Pickinsville, Alabama. The church building dates from 1858. The church was founded in 1842, and it came out of another church called Pilgrim's Rest that split over the mission board subject whether or not to be a missionary church, which was founded in 1828. The split came in 1837, and this is a wonderful church. It's produced many pastors, one international missionary, and continues to be a good example of a rural Baptist church in the rural South.